So hello dear students, how are you? Okay, in the last class we discussed about similar polygons. In that similar polygons we have observed that the two polygons are similar if they are equiangular. Secondly, the corresponding sides are proportional. Now let us discuss some other concepts of similarity of polygons. Before that, we shall do a small prayer. Okay? Class attention. 1 minute personal prayer. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ತಿರೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಪಾಲಿಗನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಅದರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, now let us see what is the meaning of these corresponding angles. Is it right? Corresponding sides angles ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ sides easy ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಅದೇ equilateral triangle ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. If you consider the two triangles like this, I will draw one more figure. Consider this one triangle. Consider this is another triangle. Say these two are right angle triangle. So now, to verify these two triangles, similarity for these two triangles, see these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. A, B, C, D, E, F. Is it right? Now, equal angles are called as the corresponding angles. In two triangles, pair of equal angles. In two triangles, pair of equal angles are called as corresponding angles. Angle A is equal to angle D. Therefore, these two are corresponding. We call it as these two are corresponding. Angle A equals angle D. Angle B equals angle E. These two are again corresponding angles. Angle C is equal to angle F. These two are corresponding. What is the meaning of corresponding? Corresponding means corresponding angles mean the pair of equal angles are called as the corresponding angles. What do you mean by corresponding sides? Corresponding sides ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನೋಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ. ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ the sides which are opposite to the equal angles are called as corresponding sides. The sides which are opposite to the equal angles, for example angle A ಗೆ opposite ಯಾವುದು? BC. Angle D ಗೆ opposite, angle D ಗೆ opposite ಯಾವುದು? EF. So now here what do you say? BC and here it is EF. These two are called as BC and EF. BC and EF. These two are called as the corresponding. You see, BC and EF are called as the corresponding sides. Corresponding sides. Now, angle B and angle E. Angle B के opposite angle क्या दो? AC. And then angle नोट इधर equal. Angle E के opposite angle क्या दो? DF. These are called as the corresponding sides. Corresponding sides. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. Proportional means, for example like this, AB by DE, they are the corresponding sides. It is 6 by 3. Now AC by DF. How much AC by DF? 6 by 3. These two are equal enough. Hence we say AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. If two ratios are equal, then we call it as they are in proportion. They are in proportion. Andre proportion andre ratios must be equal. Ratio corresponding sides to ratio equal ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. That is the proportional meaning. Proportional meaning means the ratio of the corresponding sides must be equal. The ratio of the corresponding sides must be equal. Then it says they are in same proportion. Is it right? Now you see two polygons having equal number of sides are similar provided the angles of one must be equal to the corresponding angles of the other. Second one is the sides of one polygon must be proportional. Proportional means if you consider the ratio of the corresponding sides, if the ratio of the corresponding sides is same, then we say they are in proportion, proportional to the corresponding sides of the other. Now proportional ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ರೆ the ratio of the sides of one polygon equal to the ratio of the corresponding sides must be equal. Ratio of the corresponding sides must be equal. ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Proportional ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ratio of the corresponding sides must be equal. Is it right? If these two conditions are satisfied, then we says the two polygons are similar. ನಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಂದು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Which are, that is these two given polygons are similar or not? Let us take two figures. Consider these two. This is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Here also 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Is these two are similar? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತವಾ? ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? You see, ratio of the corresponding sides same. SP by DID. Sorry. Sides are equal. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ sides equal ಇದೆ. ಆದರೂ ಸಹಿತ ಅವು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? Angles are not equal. You see, these two angles are not equal. This is 90 degree. This is what? Obtuse angle. It is obtuse angle. It is more than 90. It is 90. If more than 90 ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವು ಯಾವ angles equal ಇರಲ್ಲ. Angles are not equal. Angles are not equal. Therefore, they are not similar. They are not similar. Now consider another example. Let us take this quadrilateral. This is one quadrilateral. Consider another quadrilateral like this. Consider this one. Now angles here 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. And this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. Is it right? Now this is 5 centimeter each. 5, 5, 5. This is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. This is 2.5. This is 2.5. Consider these two polygons. In order to now, this is similar. Is these two are similar? Angles are equal, but observe the sides. Sides, what is that? AD, by PS. Take the ratio of the sides. AD by PS. 5 by 2.5. This is how much? 2 centimeter. 2 it is, not centimeter, it is 2. Now, AB by PQ. AB is 5, this is 12. 5 ones are 5 twos are, it is 1 by 2. Is these two are equal? Ratios are not equal. That is, sides are not in proportion, or ratio of the sides are not equal. These two are similar, angles are equal, but sides are not in proportion, or ratio of the sides are not equal. Therefore, these two are not similar. These are not similar. These are not similar because ratio of sides are not equal. Ratio of sides are ratio of corresponding sides are not equal. Ratio of corresponding sides are not equal. Corresponding sides, the ratio of corresponding sides are not equal, hence they are not similar. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು similar ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು similar ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಎರಡು similar ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ angles are not equal. Here the ratio of the corresponding sides are not equal. Therefore, these two are not similar. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ similar ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? Similar ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? One is angles equal ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ratio of the sides must be equal. ಹಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ those two triangles, those two polygons are similar. Is it right? Now let us pass on to the next concept we shall see. Now let us say we have seen the two polygons are similar if they are equiangular, and second one is corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Is it right? Now let us take such examples like this. You may consider a triangle. This is one triangle. This is another triangle. Say A, B, C, D, E, F. Is it right? Now angles are equal. Angle A equals angle D. Angle B equals angle E. Angle C equals angle F. Like this. Is it right? These two are equiangular triangles. The angles of one triangle are equal to the angles of the other. These two triangles are equiangular. Let us say this is 6 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this will be 8 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. And we know that these two triangles are similar or not. We know how to verify it. We know how to verify it. How do you verify? First say angles. Angle A equals angle D. Angle B equals angle E. Angle C equals angle F. They are what? Equiangular. Now let us verify the corresponding sides ratio. Corresponding sides ratio. Angle A ಮತ್ತು angle D. Angle A ಗೆ opposite ಯಾವುದು? BC. Angle D ಗೆ opposite ಯಾವುದು? EF. Take the ratio of that one. And then angle B angle E ಅಂದ್ರೆ angle B ಗೆ opposite ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? AC. Angle E ಗೆ opposite ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? DF. And then now take angle C ಗೆ opposite ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? AB by and then what is that? DE. Angle F ಗೆ opposite ಆಗಿರೋದು DE. Now take the ratio. BC is 8 by 4. Next AC is 4 by 2 and then 6 by, this is AB is 6 and DE is how much? DE is 3. Now take the ratio. For 1s are 4, 2s are 2 by 1. It is also 2 by 1. It is also 2 by 1. This is, it is constant. Is it right? These two are similar. if the two triangles are, if two polygons are similar, angles must be equal and corresponding sides must be the same ratio. ಆ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Now you see this ratio of the two similar triangles, the ratio of the sides of the corresponding ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar triangles, ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar triangles, they are always constant. Ready? 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1. This constant ratio we call it as scale factor. We use the word scale factor, or it is also called as representative fraction. We call it as representative fraction, or what do you call it as scale factor. ಇದನ್ನ scale factor ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. What do you mean by scale factor? Scale factor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? In similar polygons, the ratio of corresponding sides is constant. The ratio of corresponding sides is constant. That constant ratio we call it as scale factor. You see, in similar polygons, ratio of corresponding sides is constant. In similar polygons, ratio of corresponding sides is constant. This constant ratio is called scale factor. This constant ratio is called scale factor. ಏನದು scale factor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1/2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು 1/2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2/1. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2:1 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದು 1/2 ಆದರೆ ಇದನ್ನ 1:2 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. 1:2 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ 1:2 ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್. ಇದು 2:1 ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷನ್. ಏನದು? 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಹಾಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 2 ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಹಾಫ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರೋದನ್ನ 2ಗೆ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ, ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆಸ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫೋಟೋ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಜ್, ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಗಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸೈಜ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಗಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಅದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಸೈಜ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಆಫಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಆಫಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೀಗೇನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೀಗಿರೋದನ್ನು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವಾಗ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಎ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, then the shape remains same, that do not changes. That is a ratio constant ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is ಯಾವುದು? ಡಿಮಿನಿಷನ್. ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋನ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ, ಒಂದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, 1:2 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ, ಈ ಭಾಗ 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಆ 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ನ 50 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು 5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ 5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 9th ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಏನದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹೇಳಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಏನದು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಏನದು 5 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್, 6 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದು 5 ಯೂನಿಟ್, 5 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? 5 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆರ್ 15 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, 10 divisions equals 1 centimeter ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. This is all about basic concepts of similarity of the figures. We shall continue our study on similar triangles in the next class. Is it right? Theorems are there and we shall take up the theorems. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಈ theorems 5 theorem ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಈಗಿರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿರಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.